What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Girl by Maren Morris. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar and a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video so you can figure out how to enter, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning, and the verses and choruses only use 3 chords. The first one being a C sharp major. That's your index finger on the 4th fret on your A string, and then you're going to bar the next 3 strings on your 6th fret with your ring finger. Some people are able to play it with their middle finger, their ring finger, their pinky finger. I'm not able to do that, so I just bar all 3 of them on the 6th fret with my ring finger. The next chord is going to be a B major. It's that same exact formation, just move it down to where your index finger is on the 2nd fret on your A string. Your ring finger will be barring the next 3 strings on the 4th fret. Your final chord is going to be a B flat minor. You're going to go down to the 1st fret with your index finger and bar that entire fret starting on the A string. Put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on your D string, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret on your G string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret on your B string. Now, the entire intro to the song and the verses are using a simple palm muting technique on the A string. And it's all on the 1 and 2 ands. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. Now, if you've never palm muted before, what you're going to do is take the fleshy part of your hand, this part right here, and you're going to set it at the very end of the guitar, right where the strings meet the bridge right here. And you should be able to set it there on the end and kind of, you don't want to fully mute the string, but you want to sit it there to where it's not playing out, it's not ringing out fully, but it's giving it this kind of punchy, slightly muted sound. Now, you'll be picking the first chord for 2 counts of 8, and the next 2 chords you're only picking each of them for 1 count of 8, while you're still picking the B string on the 3rd count of each one. For the first chord, it's the 6th fret on the B string. For the second chord, it's the 4th fret. And for the final chord, it's the 2nd fret. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're only palm muting that A string, you're letting the B string ring open. Now, the chorus of this song is those chords just played, just strumming through those chords. It's a very simple strumming pattern. It's just some down strums. It looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now, the only other part to this song that is a little bit different is there's a little bridge that happens after the 2nd or 3rd chorus. It starts with the same first chord, your C sharp major. Then it's going to a G sharp minor, which is you're going to bar the entire 4th fret still with your index finger, and then put your ring finger on the 6th fret on your A string and your pinky finger on the 6th fret on the D string. And then the final chord is an F sharp major. It's going to be that same formation, just starting on the 2nd fret, so bar the 2nd fret with your index finger. Ring finger 4th fret A string, pinky finger 4th fret D string, and then add your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the G string. Now the rhythm for the chords is also just slightly different. Normally you're staying on your first chord for your C sharp major for 2 counts of 8. This time it's only 1 count of 8 here, 1 count of 8 here, and then 2 counts of 8 on your F sharp major. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That entire thing plays through twice, and that's all it is for the bridge. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.